In this video, I will be focusing on pronouns. Pronouns are basically words that refer to nouns and basically replace them to avoid repetition of nouns. For example, he, she, it, them, etc. In Arabic, a pronoun is called ضمير. الضمير. The plural for الضمير or ضمير is الضمائر. There are two types of pronouns in Arabic, attached and unattached. Unattached pronouns are called الضمائر المنفصلة. الضمائر المنفصلة. The singular form of that is الضمير المنفصل. Attached pronouns are called الضمائر المتصلة, and the singular for that is الضمير المتصل. First, I'll focus on unattached pronouns, الضمائر المنفصلة. Unattached pronouns. Let's give you some examples of unattached pronouns. هو زيد. He is Zaid. أنا طالب. I am a student. أنت مجتهد. You are hardworking. So these are three examples. هو زيد, he is Zaid. أنا طالب, I am a student. And أنت مجتهد, you are hardworking. So the ضمائر, the pronouns here are هو, أنا, and أنت. هو, أنا, and أنت. These are الضمائر المنفصلة. And the reason they're known as الضمائر المنفصلة or unattached pronouns is that they're not joined to any word but appear as separate words. Normally they appear as mubtada, as in the case of all of these three sentences. This is the table for الضمائر المنفصلة, unattached pronouns. So as you can see here, from top to bottom on the right side corner, هو هما هم, هي هما هن, أنت أنتما أنتم, أنتِ أنتما أنتن, أنا نحن. So هو means he. Huma means they too. As you can see in the plurality section, it says dual. So huma always means two. Hum means they. That means three or more. It's plural. Hiya, huma, hunna, same thing, but for feminine. Anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna for masculine and feminine, and for second person. And finally, ana and nahnu is first person. Ana means I, nahnu means we. Make sure to memorize all of these ضمائر in order and know their meanings before you go on to learn about attached pronouns or الضمائر المتصلة. If you do plan on memorizing on the spot, pause right here. Now we move on to الضمائر المتصلة, attached pronouns. These are also known as الضمائر الإضافية, possessive pronouns, or الضمائر المفعولية, objective pronouns. Possessive pronouns are basically pronouns that indicate possession, and objective pronouns are pronouns which refer to the object, مفعول. So since الضمائر المتصلة or attached pronouns come to refer to an object, they're called objective pronouns, and since they also come to indicate possession, they're known as possessive pronouns. This is a table for الضمائر المتصلة, attached pronouns. I'll give you the examples later because it's easier to understand the examples after you've memorized all of these in Arabic with their meanings. And this is how you pronounce the dhamirs in Arabic. Hu, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna, I, ni, na. Again, hu, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna, I, ni, na. You need to memorize these as best as you can. You should be able to read them fluently to yourself. So if you're gonna memorize, pause right here. Alright, so now that you have them memorized, let's jump on to how to use these pronouns. الضمائر المتصلة or attached pronouns can either come after nouns, verbs, or particles. Particles meaning huruf. So if it comes after a noun, it comes to show possession, إضافة. For example, قلمه, his pen. كتابك, your book. كتابي, my book. or kitabuha, her book. So basically, the pronouns in all of these examples show possession of a pen or a book, right? His pen, your book, my book, her book. It's all showing possession. So if it comes after a noun, it shows possession. If it comes after a verb, it indicates the maf'ul or the object. For example, nasartuhu, I helped him. Nasartuhu, I helped him. Here, as you can see, the hu dhamir is coming after nasartu and it's indicating towards the maf'ul because him, he is the person who is receiving the action of helping. Or for example, amartuk, I commanded you. Nasartani, you helped me. Here the pronouns are indicating towards the object or person receiving the action. I commanded you, you helped me. So ka in amartuk is indicating towards an object. Nasartani, the ni is referring to an object. So it can come after a noun, it can come after a verb, and it can come after a harf, a particle. For example, fihi, in it. Lahu, for him. Minka, from you. Ilayna, towards us. Innakum, indeed you. Alayhi, on him or on it. So the gist of the lesson is that al-Dhama'ir al-Munfasila, which we discussed in the beginning, unattached pronouns, are most often used as mubtada, and al-Dhama'ir al-Muttasila, which are attached pronouns, are used number 1 after nouns to show possession, number 2 after verbs to indicate towards an object, and number 3 after huruf or particles. That includes huruf al-jar and it includes other huruf as well. There you go. I just wrote 3 examples individually for each phrase. So after nouns to show possession, the example for that is qalamuhu. After verbs to indicate towards an object, the example for that is nasartuhu. And lastly, after huruf is an example for that is fihi. ركب كسر سقط منع رفع لعب نظر إلى عبد ذكر أكل رزق ختم خدع ترك خطف خلق عرض أخذ عمل صالحا أب آباء أم أمهات لسان ألسنة رأس رؤوس أنف أنوف يد أيد الأيدي سن سن أسنان صدر صدور منديل مناديل سيارة سيارات دراجة دراجات حذاء أحذية رجل قدم كرة كرات أنبج منجو تفاحة تفاح بستان بطيخ قثاء حقل حقول قلب قلوب سمع بصر أبصار غشاوة أنفسهم ظلمة ظلمات ظلمات برق رب وقود ناس حجر حجارة زوج أزواج مطهرة ملك ملائكة ميثاق مواثيق فوق طور لون ألوان فاقع من أجر أجور عند. And now we have exercises. These exercises will mostly focus on attached pronouns, الضمائر المتصلة. Because if you can't understand how to make or translate sentences with attached pronouns, الضمائر المتصلة, you can definitely make or translate sentences with الضمائر المنفصلة or detached pronouns. So let's start the sentences. Number 1 is my father. Father in Arabic is abun. My is ya or ni, e or ni. So you add an ab to the yi or ni and you get abi. Abi, my father. Number 2 is his mother. Mother in Arabic is ummun. His, the attached pronoun or al-damir al-muttasil for his, is he or who. Ummuhu. Number 3 is her tongue. Tongue in Arabic is lisan. Her in Arabic is ha. So lisanuha. Lisanuha is her tongue. Number 4, your singular male head. Head in Arabic is ra'sun. And you singular male, the attached pronoun for you singular male is ka. So you get ra'suka. Just add a ra's to the ka and you get ra'suka. Number 5 is your singular female nose. Nose in Arabic is anfun. Add anf to you singular female, which is ki, and you get anfuki. Anfuki. Number 6. My hand. Hand in Arabic is yad. My, just as it came in the first sentence, is abi. My is yi or ni. So yadi. Number 7. Their plural female teeth. Now tooth, which is singular in Arabic, is sinnun, and the plural for that, meaning teeth, is asnanun. Their plural female in Arabic is hum. So asnanuhum. Number 8. His chest. Chest in Arabic is sadr. And his is he or who. So sadruhu. Sadruhu. Number 9. Our handkerchief. Handkerchief in Arabic is mindilun. Our, the attached pronoun or ad-damir al-muttasil for our is na. So just join mindil with na and you get mindiluna. Mindiluna, our handkerchief. Now let's move on to some proper sentences. So here, number 10, we have I rode in your singular male car. First translate the fi'l and the fa'il both, which is I rode. Now ride in Arabic is rakiba. Put that on the wazn of fa'altu, wahid mutakallim, meaning I did, and you get rakibtu. Rakibtu in your car. Rakibtu fi, that's in. Now we know that car is sayyara. We just need to bring a pronoun after that, which is your singular male, and that is ka. So rakibtu fi sayyaratika. And the reason it's sayyaratika and not sayyaratuka or sayyarataka is because sayyara is coming after harful jar, which is fi. That's why the ta has to get a kasra. Number 2 is she broke my bike. Break in Arabic is kasara. She broke is kasarat. That's wahid muannath ghaib. Kasarat my bike. Bike in Arabic is darraja. You want to make an attached pronoun of my, that's yi or ni. So you just add a ya to darraja and you get kasarat darrajati. She broke my bike. Number 3. The shoe fell off your singular male foot. Here fell off is the verb, it's the fi'l that's going to come first. Fall in Arabic is waqa'a. And you could also say saqata. Both mean to fall. Saqata in this context would be more appropriate. Waqa'a or saqata, the shoe. Now know that shoe in Arabic is hidha, or al-hidha. And al-hidha, as I told you before in the previous lessons, that any word that comes with a round ta at the end, or with a alif and a hamza at the end, for example, qitha, as-sama, al-hidha, all of those are considered to be feminine. So before bringing the word hidha, you know that hidha in Arabic is feminine, so you make and mold the fi'l or the verbs in accordance with that femininity. So waqa'a or saqata is going to become waqa'at or saqatat. So waqa'at or saqatat. Al-hidha'u, and it's getting a dhamma on the hamza because it's the fa'il, of your singular male foot. Of means from in this context. So min, foot in Arabic is rijl. See, you singular male in Arabic is ka. So min rijlik. سقطت الحذاء من رجلك. Number 4, which is actually number 13. I stopped them. Now stop in Arabic is mana'a. You want to bring mana'a on the wazn of fa'altu. So mana'a on the wazn of fa'altu is going to be mana'tu. That's wahid mutakallim from mana'a. Mana'tu them, plural female. Them, plural female, is hum or him. So mana'tuhum. The correct way to write that would be this way. Mana'tuhum. Number 14. They, plural male, raised me. Now raise, which is the fa'il in Arabic, is rafa'a. They, plural male, raised me. That means rafa'a is going to come on the wazn of fa'alu. So rafa'a on the wazn of fa'alu is rafa'u. But now you bring me, which is either ye or ni. Now if you say rafa'u, that's going to sound weird. So you just bring a noon. Rafa'uni, they raised me. Number 15. You, plural male, played with the ball. Play in Arabic is la'iba. You, plural male, did. That is fa'altum. So bring la'iba on the wazn of fa'altum, which is jama mudhakkar hadir, and you get la'ibtum. La'ibtum. With is B. Ball, the ball is al-qura. So bil kurati. Number 16. They, dual male, looked at me. Now look in Arabic is nazara. And you want to bring nazara on the wazn of they, dual male, did, which is fa'ala. So nazara becomes nazara. Nazara. At means towards. Me is ya. So we know that at meaning to or towards is ila, and me is ya. So just connect the ila and the ya, and you get ilayya. That's how you are going to write it and read it. Nazara ilayya. They, dual male, looked at me. Number 17 is you, dual female, worshipped him. Worship in Arabic is abada. You want to bring abada on the wazn of you, dual female, did, which is fa'altuma. Fa'altuma is the same wazn for dual female and dual male from second person, which is hadir. So abada on the wazn of fa'altuma would be abattuma. And then you bring the hu for him and you get abattumahu. Number 18. My mother remembered me yesterday. Here, the fail here is to remember. Remember in Arabic is dhakara. Now we know over here that the fa'il of dhakara is my mother. Mother in Arabic is female. That's feminine. So remember, the verb of ذكر has to be female or feminine. That means it has to be ذكرت. ذكرت. Now here you have to understand something. Here the pronoun me is coming as a maf'ul. When it comes as a maf'ul, you always connect it with the fa'il itself before bringing the fa'il. So this is an exceptional case where fa'il doesn't come before the maf'ul but rather comes after the maf'ul. So you bring ذكرت ni. Let's make that proper. And you would write it like this. ذكرت ni. That's the translation of remembered me. Now you bring my mother, which is the fa'il, which is mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Mother in Arabic is ummun. And my, which is a pronoun in Arabic, is ya. So ummi. ذكرتني ummi. Yesterday in Arabic is amsi. So just bring amsi. ذكرتني ummi amsi. My mother remembered me yesterday. Now let's translate one last sentence. Number 19. You, singular male, ate a mango and an apple in your garden, and you ate a watermelon and a cucumber in your field. Here the fi'l in the first sentence, you, singular male, ate a mango and an apple in your garden, is eat. Eat in Arabic is akala. Bring akala on the wazn of you, singular male, which is wahid mudhakkar hadir, fa'alta, and you get akalta. So akalta, a mango and an apple. Mango in Arabic is ambaj or manju. Let's take ambaj. Akalta, ambaja. Over here, it says a mango, so that means it's indefinite. So you don't have to add an alif lam. You don't have to say al ambaj. And also notice that the jim, the last letter, is getting a fatha because it's maf'ul. And then add akalta ambaja wa tuffahan, and an apple in your garden. In is fi. Your garden, that's mudaf and mudaf ilayh. And your is an attached pronoun. Garden is bustan, your, and obviously it's referring to singular male, which is ka. So your garden would be bustanik. The reason it is bustanika and not bustanuka or bustanaka is because it's coming after a fi, which is harf jar, which gives any noun after that jar or a kasra. And you ate a watermelon and a cucumber in your field. So the same word structure. And you ate again is wa akalta. Wa akalta, a watermelon. Watermelon in Arabic is bittih. And since it's maf'ul, it's going to get double fatha. If it had an alif lam, it would only get one fatha. It would be al bittiha. Wa akalta bittihan, and a cucumber. Wa, again that's the second maf'ul. So likewise, the end letter hamza is going to get two fathas. Wa qitha'an, in your field. Fi. Previously we had in your garden, which was fi bustanika. Just put the same structure, use the same structure, and you get fi haqlika. Haql is field. Now let's move on to translate Arabic sentences to English. The first sentence here is razaqnahum. Now razaqa means to provide. Razaqna is on the wazn of fa'alna, which is jama mutakallim. So razaqna means we provided, and hum is them. So we provided them, which basically means we provided for them. Number 2 is khatama Allahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim. Here khatama is the fi'l, Allahu is the fa'il, ala is harful jar, and then we have qulubihim. So qulub is mudaf, him is mudaf ilay, that's an attached pronoun, it's ad-damirul muttasil, and then the whole qulubihim is coming after ala. So that's why qulubi is getting a kasra. And then we have وَعَلَى سَمْعِهِمْ, which is on the same format as عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ. So ختم الله, Allah, khatama means to seal or to put a seal. So Allah put a seal ala, upon, qulubihim, their hearts. Qulub is jama of qalb, which is heart. Wa ala sam'ihim, and ala, upon, or you could say on, their sama, hearing. Number 3 is ala absarihim ghishawatun. Ala absarihim, upon their eyes is a veil. Or a covering. You could say either one. Number 4 is khada'u anfusahum. Khada'a in Arabic means to deceive. Khada'u on the wazn of jama mudhakkar ghaib, fa'alu means they, plural male, deceived. Anfusahum, anfus is the jama of nafs, which means self. Over here it means selves. Hum is them. So anfusahum means themselves. Khada'u anfusahum, they, plural male, deceived themselves. Notice that anfusahum, the scene is getting a fatha because it's maf'ul. Number 5 is tarakahum fi dhulumatin. Taraka means to leave. Hum is them. Fi is in. Dhulumatin. Dhulma is darkness. The plural for that is dhulumatin, which means darknesses. So tarakahum is he left them in darknesses. Let's move on to some more sentences. Number 6 is خطف البرق أبصارهم. خطف is فعل, البرق is فاعل, أبصارهم مضاف and مضاف إليه both combine to become the مفعول. خطف means to snatch. البرق is lightning. So the lightning snatched أبصارهم, their eyes. Number 7. Inna rabbakum khalaqakum. Inna means indeed. Indeed, rabbakum, your, which is by the way plural and male, your Lord, khalaqa, created, kum, you, which is again obviously plural male, masculine. Number 8 is waquduha an-nasu wal hijaratu. Waquduha is mubtada and an-nasu wal hijaratu is khabar. Waquduha, which is the mubtada, is essentially a mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Waqud means fuel. Ha is it, it feminine. So its fuel is an-nas, people, wal hijara, and rocks or stones. This is talking about the hellfire, that its fuel is people and rocks. Number 9 is talking about Jannah. It says lahum fiha azwajum mutahhara. La is for, hum is them. So lahum means for them. Fiha, in it, feminine, azwajun mutahharatun. Azwajun is the plural of zawj, which means spouse. Mutahhara is clean or pure. So azwajun mutahharatun, pure spouses. Obviously, when you read it, for them in it, pure spouses, that doesn't make sense. So you say, for them, they're in it, there are pure spouses. Number 10. عرضهم على الملائكة. عرض means to present. Whom is them. So he presented them على الملائكة. Now we know that ala means upon. Al-malaika is the plural of malak, which is angel. So he presented them upon the angels. Obviously, upon the angels in English sounds awkward. So instead of using upon, you can use before. He presented them before the angels. We have 3 more left. The first, or the 11th one, is أخذنا ميثاقكم. أخذ means to take. أخذنا is on the wazn of فعلنا, which is جمع متكلم, which means we took. We took. ميثاقكم. ميثاق means covenant, promise, or oath. Kum is plural female for you, or plural male from second person. So ميثاقكم, we took your, which is plural masculine. We took your oath or covenant. ورفعنا, and again same صيغة جمع متكلم, and رفع means to raise. So and we raised فوقكم, upon you, الطور. الطور is the name for Mount Sinai. Number 12 is لونها فاقع. لونها is مبتدا, فاقع is خبر. لونها, that's a مضاف مضاف إليه. لون means color. Ye, aha is it, feminine. So its color is فاقع. فاقع means bright. Number 13 is من عمل صالحا فله أجره. Man means whosoever or whoever. عمل does. صالحا good. فله, fa is then. له is for him. أجره for him is his reward. Sorry, my pad keeps on acting up. That's why it keeps on mixing colors sometimes. So, sorry about that. Whoever does good, then for him is his reward. من عمل صالحا فله أجره.